Quality Improvement in Maths Education Project. Video based PPT presentation. Topic of presentation: quadratic equation. My name is Vilas Devidas Ghungad. Registration number B017. School name Sri Ambika Devi Vidyalay Saundala, District Akola. Now we are going to the observe and explore. First, let us we see the video.
Math, a thing created by Romans to make the life of high school kids terrible. For my math project, I will be explaining one of the most confusing things in high school yet: quadratic formulas. But before we get to that, what even is a quadratic? Well, imagine there was a football player standing at one side of a football field. He throws the ball and it hits a kid in the back of the head. Slaps the corners down, makes those football players zeros, a little axis here and there. Boom, quadratic. The rainbows of math. Or upside down rainbows at least. Now, quadratic can be written so many different ways, like standard form, vertex form. We're going to be focusing on standard form. Standard form is a way to write a quadratic, and you need it to actually use the quadratic formula. To write it, you first need ax squared, which means x times x, so we start out with a little floating 2 called an exponent, plus bx plus the c stands for... Stop it. The C stands for the constant who is constantly screaming. Oh, I get it. It's constantly screaming. That's very clear. This is what a standard form quadratic equation looks like. Remember, the A, B, and C are actual numbers, if this was a true equation. Now, let's turn this into... Whoa!
In this video, we observe the quadratic equation or the formula of the quadratic equation. Observe and explore. In this, observe the sum polynomial, which are the trinomial. In the 9th standard, we have already studied the polynomial and the types of the polynomial. In this chapter, the quadratic equation, that means trinomial equation. First is 4x cube minus 6x plus 2. Second one, 5y minus 7. Third one, 7x square minus 2x plus 3. Fourth one, 5m cube plus 2m square plus 3m plus 9. And last one is 5x. Here the first and third are the trinomial, but out of these, which having the index is 2? Oh, 7x square minus 2x plus 3. This is called the quadratic trinomial, and we can write the quadratic equation 7x square minus 2x plus 3 equals to 0. Such a type of equation having the maximum index of variable 2 is called as quadratic equation. That means power or index is 2. Now we are going to the standard form of the quadratic equation. The equation of form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers. a is not equals to 0, then it is called quadratic equation in the form of x. The equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is called the general or standard form of the quadratic equation. The highest index of variable is 2, so it is the second degree equation in one variable. Let us now see the task first. In this task, 2x square equals to 8, x square plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0, 2y equals to 3, y square minus 5y plus 4 equals to 0. Are the above equations are quadratic? How do we decide? First, second and fourth are quadratic equation by comparing the general form of the quadratic equation. What is the general form? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Third one, twice y equals to 3 is not a quadratic equation, as highest index of variable y is not 2. So, it is the linear equation and not a quadratic. Task second. Write the equation in the standard form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Some examples are given below. Now, we write the 5 equation in the standard form. Now, we are going the define and prove method of solving the quadratic equation. That means quadratic equation solving by 3 methods. First one is factorization method, second one completing square method, and third one is formula method. Factorization method. In this method, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 be the given quadratic equation. So, we must find 2 linear factors of a quadratic polynomials. Ax square plus bx equals to 0. Suppose px plus q and mx plus n are the linear factor of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Can be written as px plus q in first bracket and another bracket mx plus n equals to 0. Px plus q equals to 0 or mx plus n equals to 0. Therefore, we can write px equals to minus q or mx equals to minus n. Therefore, we can also write x equals to minus q upon p or x equals to minus n upon m. Therefore, minus p upon q and minus n upon m are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now, we are going to the completing square method, and third one is formula method. By using the completing square method to solve the formula, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is the general form. Then, by using the completing square method, divide both the side by a, we get x square plus bx upon a plus c upon a equals to 0. Therefore, we can write x square plus b upon a x equals to minus c upon a. That is, third term equals to half into coefficient of x square, half into b upon a whole square. Therefore, we can write b square upon 4a square. Now, adding b square upon 4a square to both the side of equation number first. Then we get x square plus b upon a into x plus b square upon 4a square equals to b square upon 4a square minus c upon a. Arranging, we get x plus b upon twice a whole square. It is the right hand side, and left hand side we get b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Taking square root, x plus b upon twice a equals to plus minus in square root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. Then we can write x equals to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a is the quadratic equation. This formula was given by Indian mathematician Sridharacharya. Now, last stage, apply and evaluate. In this, the equation, solve the following quadratic equation by factorization method. Next one is completing square method and by using formula method. That means there are three types of method for solving the quadratic equation. First one is factorization method. There are some example here 1, 2, 3, and completing square method there are also 3 example. Formula method there are also 3 example. In the factorization method, factorize the 4 into 1, that is 4, 2 into 2, therefore such a factor, and we get the 2 value of y which are real. Now in the completing square method we are also solve the equation. Last one is formula method. We use the formula which is given by Sridharacharya. Thanks.